This video will show you how to get free access to Gemini Pro so you can unlock the ultimate study tool today. Basic AI often struggles with complex problems. With Gemini Pro, you can read 1 million words at once, solve complex math problems step by step, and instantly generate Veo 3 videos. There are 4 main paths to get free access to Gemini Pro: the 12-month US student offer, the 3-month global hack, the 18-month geo offer, and the no sign-up API method. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Path 1 is the US student offer. Google gives US students 12 months free. You verify your school ID through Sheer ID. Be sure to complete this before December 9, 2025. Path 2 is the Coursera hack. Coursera partners with Google. Search for the Google AI Professional Certificate course to unlock 3 months of pro access. To get this access, click on Start 7-Day Free Trial. Pay a refundable verification fee. Open Module 2 and click Redeem your Google AI Pro trial. To protect your bank account, cancel the trial immediately. Open your Google settings, click Manage Subscriptions, and hit Cancel. You will keep the free access until the trial ends. Path 3 is the Geo 18-month offer. Geo gives Indian users 18 months free. You need an active 5G plan. Open the My Geo app and tap the Gemini banner to claim the offer. Path 4 uses Rita AI for quick tasks. This avoids signups and credit cards. Rita AI connects to the official Gemini API, giving you 100 daily credits, allowing for 20 free pro chats every day. Compare your options based on duration, best use case, and effort level. Match the method to your location and pick your final path. Power your study sessions by uploading class notes and PDFs for personalized practice quizzes. You can also upload photos of complex homework for step-by-step math explanations. Prepare for your career by uploading your basic resume and letting the AI rewrite it for impact. You can also generate professional headshots and practice mock interviews. Start using AI today by picking your method and following the steps to claim your free access. Master your studies and career with Gemini Pro.